Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Laura and we're doing a recollections budget plan with me for March 5th through the 11th, and I'm going to be using this super old kit from Oh Hello Stationery Co. I believe they've done this before, or they still have it. I'm not completely sure, but this is on their glossy paper, and then I have these extra pandas, but it's got pandas and cherry blossoms and bamboo, and it is super cute, and I wanted to use it last year, and then I never got around to it. We have full heart check boxes. We have a ton of half boxes. And then that was I think my whole kit, just those 3 pages. And then I think they redid them or added pieces. I can't remember. But I got the washi page with some headers and some little things as well. I will probably have to pull some stuff in, but not yet. Not quite yet. I really like the bottom washi, but I kind of also want to put half boxes along the bottom. So I'm not sure. I might put the washi up and then put half boxes down here, because I have so many half boxes that I think that might be really cute. And then it'll just be different from there. I'm not sure, but I think that's what we're going to start with, because I think it'll be fun to play around with. So the half box would cover the whole, I could put the top of the half box on that top line. So maybe I should put the bottom of this washi. This washi isn't very thick, so I think this will be okay. If I put the washi here, and then I can put the half boxes under the washi. And I think I should still have room for everything. I feel like this is the kit I asked when they redid their, I don't know, they had some sort of kit sale or something where they brought back things and they didn't bring back the a la carte of these pieces that I was missing, and I was like, please, 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 please. And then I had ordered a washi roll also, and I think they oversold the washi roll or something, so they credited me the money for that washi, and then they also included these stickers. I think that was this kit. It was either this kit or the other kit that I own from years ago from Oh Hello. But Kayla and Alex are super, super sweet. They have a really cute vlog channel and all sorts of stuff. I just think they're adorable. So yeah, you should check them out if you have not already, because they are quite the pair, quite funny, and they're from the Midwest, which I adore because I'm from the Midwest, and you know, it's just similar. Okay, I think I'm going to do black. I'm looking over here at my full boxes, trying to figure out. So this will be black, this will be green, yellow, and blue. So I think I want to put this, this, and then this. So I'm trying to figure out how to do this properly. And then the yellow, just to get the pandas separated and kind of spread out throughout the spread. Spread out through the spread sounds funny. And I had looked at these knowing I only have one black meal, so I wanted that one in the center. If you guys were wondering how I started so quickly, because half the time I'm like, wait, what am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Because you know how I do. Okay. We have today headers. And I feel like I should put those on top of the checklist, so I think I'm going to do that. I don't actually have any of the other headers. That's fine. I don't really need them. It's not like I don't know what I'm doing, looking at my own planner. And if you guys don't know what I'm doing, that's why you watch the video, because then I tell you what I'm doing. I guess just my Instagram people wouldn't know, but that's okay. They're planner girls, you know, they'll figure it out. Because if you're looking at my Instagram and you're not a planner girl or planner guy, you're probably thinking we're all crazy. Anyways, so there's that. Okay, so then I think I'm gonna do the blue here, just to be a little different on this side. So blue, what was it, then yellow, and then green. Whoa, that is not in line. Try that again. And the green, is that right? Blue, yellow, green, okay. I was so confident and then I was doubting myself. And then we have the full boxes. No, we don't. We have the headers. Oops. We need a blue. I'm struggling. I need a yellow. I need a green. And like I said, this is on glossy paper. Their matte paper, like when you order, it just says matte, but you guys, it is like a Lexi Kylie design, premium unicorn matte kind of thing. I absolutely love it. I think it is super, super fabulous paper. And I highly recommend. Okay, I'm going to put one of these pandas over here, and because they're glossy, I don't, oh, nope, I do. I was gonna say I don't need to wipe that out, but I do, because you can see through this glossy paper. But that's fine, we'll just do it up. Okay, a little panda guy in the corner. And then, what am I going to do? I feel like I should put the full box over these headers, and then I could put something like maybe half boxes along the middle, or little things. I think I'm gonna do that. So, wait. Yes, this is the green box. I forgot what I was doing because this background is blue also. So that's the green box, and then this is the yellow. And then this one is the blue box. I wish there was a little more pink in this. It's so cute. I love yellow, baby blue, and light pink together. Okay, so there's the blue. The yellow. This is the one for green, and then we have the black and white. Hopefully this green doesn't show through Panda's forehead. That might be looking a little weird. All right, so those are my full boxes, and I'm sorry if there's a glare from my light, but otherwise it would be really, really dark. So we have those, and then like I said, I think I might put a half box under each one. Yeah. And then I'll double the half boxes down here because I have so many and they have one for each pattern because there are 4 patterns in this kit. Oh no, that one wasn't cut so well. It started to peel. Okay, so I think this is my spread for the week. I have the half boxes at the bottom and then the washi, and I have another row of half boxes kind of in the middle. And I put some of the pandas in for deco. I think it's really cute. It's really springy. I'm sorry about the glare. And then I put the pink hydrates in from, I probably should have put those up at the top. Oops. That's why that looked funny. These are from Whimsical Flamingos. If you guys have been watching me for any length of time, you've probably seen them because I've used them quite a lot. She's one of the shops that I buy the daily hydrates from. I need to get more like sidebar hydrates. I should add that to my list of stickers I'm looking for. I have daylight savings time, I think, and then like foiled something or other for daylight savings time. Hopefully Rose Color Days will come out with it. And then I forget what else, but I should add sidebar hydrate. So yeah, this is my spread. I think it's pretty darn cute. Again, I don't know if this is still available, but I love pandas. There's definitely panda artwork out lately, so hopefully you can find something you enjoy, but let me know what you guys think of this spread. Again, sorry about the glare. I think it turned out really cute, but let me know what your thoughts are. Do you like the format? Do you like the half boxes in the middle and at the bottom? Do you like the washi being switched around? Let me know what your thoughts are, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!